Can you understand this story? Stay until the end to test yourself.
Tom is a student. He is 10 years old. Mrs. Smith is his teacher. She is very kind. Today, Tom has a question about math. "Excuse me, Mrs. Smith," says Tom. "Yes, Tom? How can I help you?" She asks. "I don't understand this problem," says Tom. He shows his book to Mrs. Smith. "Which problem is it?" asks Mrs. Smith. "Number 5, Tom answers. Mrs. Smith looks at the problem. "This is about adding numbers," she says. "Let me explain it to you." Mrs. Smith takes a piece of paper. "First, we have 12 apples," she writes. "Then, we add 8 more apples. So, 12 plus 8 equals?" She asks Tom. Tom thinks for a moment. 20. He says happily, "That's correct." "Well done, Tom," says Mrs. Smith. Tom smiles. "Thank you for helping me." "You are welcome," says Mrs. Smith. "Always ask if you don't understand." Tom goes back to his desk. Now he can do the other problems too. He is happy that he asked for help.
Learn with LingoStories.app.